Autonomous vehicles, often called AVs or self-driving cars, are transforming the way we think about transportation. Focusing on level 4 and level 5 automation, these vehicles are designed to operate independently, without the need for constant human intervention. Imagine a world where your car can navigate busy city streets, highways, and even complex intersections all on its own. This technology promises not just convenience, but a fundamental shift in how we move, work, and live. As AVs become more advanced, their potential to reshape society grows, raising important questions about safety, accessibility, and the future of mobility. Let's explore who stands to benefit from this revolution and who might be left behind as we move toward a driverless future. Rise of autonomous vehicles brings both hope and concern. On one hand, AVs could dramatically improve public health and safety by reducing accidents. Since human error causes the vast majority of crashes, experts predict AVs could save millions of lives. They also promise newfound mobility for the elderly, people with disabilities, and anyone unable to drive, making travel more inclusive. Commuters may find their daily journeys transformed, with time freed up for work, relaxation, or entertainment. However, not everyone will benefit equally. Professional drivers in logistics and taxi services face job displacement as AVs take over. There are also new risks. AVs rely on complex communication systems, making them vulnerable to cyberattacks that could threaten safety and privacy. And during the transition, when human-driven and autonomous cars share the road, accident rates may temporarily rise. The social impact of AVs is complex, with both winners and losers. Great power comes great responsibility, and autonomous vehicles are no exception. One of the most debated ethical dilemmas is the trolley problem. How should an AV be programmed to act in an unavoidable accident? Should it prioritize the safety of its passengers, pedestrians, or others? These decisions must be built into the vehicle's software, raising tough questions about accountability. Who's responsible if something goes wrong? The owner, the manufacturer, or the program? Privacy is another concern, as AVs collect vast amounts of personal data to operate safely. On the sustainability front, AVs can improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions during use, but their manufacturing process is more energy-intensive due to advanced sensors and computing hardware. The environmental impact depends on whether AVs are shared or privately owned and how policies shape their adoption. Balancing these ethical and environmental challenges is key to a responsible AV future. Truly understand the environmental impact of autonomous vehicles, we need to look at their entire life cycle, from manufacturing to end of life. Manufacturing AVs generates more emissions than traditional cars, mainly due to the production of high-tech components like sensors and computers. During operation, AVs can be more energy efficient thanks to smoother driving and better routing, but increased convenience may lead to more travel and higher total emission. At the end of their life, recycling specialized electronic parts poses new challenges, though effective recycling can offset some manufacturing emissions. Overall, studies suggest that autonomous electric vehicles may emit about 8% more greenhouse gases than non-autonomous ones, unless policies and consumer choices favor shared use and efficient recycling. The net environmental outcome depends on how we manage these trade-offs as AVs become mainstream. Journey of autonomous vehicles highlights that engineering is more than just solving technical problems. It's about understanding and shaping society. Engineers must consider not only how to make AVs work, but also how they fit into our legal, ethical, and social systems. Every design choice, from sensor selection to data privacy protocols, carries ethical weight and real-world consequences. This new era of engineering demands a balance between innovation and responsibility, as the decisions made today will shape the safety, equity, and sustainability of our future roads. Ultimately, the story of AVs is a reminder that technology and humanity are deeply intertwined, and that the future of mobility depends on thoughtful, ethical engineering.